So what is up, Toshi fam? We are back with another video on Toshi, and recently Toshi hasn't been doing too great. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at why Toshi is down, what's going on, and what will be happening in the near future. So again, before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Toshi right now at about 0.301764, down about 16.5% in the past month. If we look at weekly, it's actually up around 1.83%, right? It did go a lot higher in this recent week. We went to 0.301967, and the past 24 hours it's obviously come back down, right, down 2.5%. If we switch to the trading view chart, we could see it did go all the way up from 0.301963, and it's currently down to 10%. But again, if we look at from the low to the high within the previous week or so, we went up 15%, which is again not the greatest, but it's definitely better than nothing. So we are having some ups and downs, regular ups and downs. We're seeing kind of this pattern forming, just sideways squiggly lines, right? Whatever that's going on with Toshi right now. So nothing too crazy going on, just regular price movement. But again, in the month it is down, but hopefully this kind of sideways action will result in a reversal. So if we take a look at the X of Toshi, we could go ahead and check it out, right? 110,000 followers, the blue cat named after Satoshi Nakamoto. We see regular memes being posted about Toshi just to keep the community engaged, right? We saw this kind of recent live stream where Toshi was involved, right? Sneaking it all in, and again, just regular memes, nothing too crazy, no crazy announcement recently going on with Toshi. If we look at the Toshi website, we already know what Toshi is about, right? Toshi on Coinbase. It's considered the face of the base chain by Coinbase, right? So it's obviously on Coinbase. It's also on Binance Alpha, Bybit, OKX, and a lot of other exchanges. It's on futures as well, and there's also a hyperlane bridge. And obviously we know the history of Toshi, that it is named after the Bitcoin creator and also Coinbase co-founder Brian Armstrong's cat, and it's also basically the mascot of the base chain, the Ethereum L2 chain, and even the Coinbase wallet was originally named Toshi. So again, there's it also has strong connections within the crypto space. So even if the price isn't doing too much, it's not the end of the world, right? We will most likely see a comeback coming on with Toshi. We could see community sentiment 86% still bullish. Toshi is getting major attention right now, strong community push and steady momentum building around it. We could see Toshi bought 4 mil, Toshi gaining serious attention, all of that. We could see Toshi is and always will be the face of the base chain. Up we go. So again, people are still hyping Toshi up even in these not too great times. We're still seeing good responses with Toshi, and the community is still alive. So that's almost always a good sign that the community, even in the rough times, is still active and promoting its own coin. We could see market cap $74 million right now. Volume about almost $9 million, a 12% volume to market cap ratio, which is pretty good, right? If we look at the rest of the market right now, what it is doing, right? Bitcoin up 4.9% within the week. If we look at the daily, it's almost every crypto is down in the daily, and so is Toshi, right? About 2.7%. If we look at the rest of the market, Ethereum also down 2.8%, and most of these are down. And 7 days, everything is up, and so is Toshi. So basically just following market trends right now, nothing too crazy to worry about, right? So it's not the end of the world right now. We just have to hold and be patient about Toshi, and it will pay off. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Toshi, basically what it's doing right now. Again, it's just calm before the storm, just following market trends as of right now. And if anything does come through with Toshi, I'll obviously keep you updated. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.